Visit Tuscany.com. Zuppa inglese, traditional Tuscan recipes. Bring the whole milk and lemon peel to a simmer. Place the egg yolks, sugar and cornstarch in a pot and mix with a whisk until smooth and creamy. Slowly pour in the milk through a sieve to catch the lemon peel. Mix again with the whisk, first slowly and then faster. Cook over a low heat until the custard thickens. Divide the custard into 2 bowls, add dark chocolate to one. Mix with the whisk until the chocolate melts into the hot custard. Place each of the ingredients, plain custard, chocolate custard, savoiardi and alkermes, in a different bowl. Take a glass container and spread the first layer of chocolate custard on the bottom with a spoon. Dip the savoiardi in the alkermes and place them on the custard. Spread 3 tablespoons of plain custard on top of the savoiardi. Add another layer of savoiardi dipped in the alkermes, another of chocolate custard, another of savoiardi, and top with the remaining plain custard. Dust the surface with dark cocoa powder. Chill the zuppa inglese in the fridge for a few hours. Zuppa inglese ingredients: 500 milliliters of whole milk, 120 grams of sugar, 40 grams of cornstarch, 4 egg yolks, peel of 1 lemon, 70 grams of dark chocolate, 120 grams of savoiardi, 200 milliliters of alkermes, cocoa powder. Method: bring the milk and lemon peel to a simmer. Once it starts to simmer, remove from the heat. In a saucepan, whisk together the sugar, egg yolks, and cornstarch until light and creamy. Gradually pour the hot milk into the egg mixture, stirring constantly. Cook over low heat until the custard thickens. Divide the custard into 2 bowls. Add the chopped dark chocolate into 1 bowl and whisk to melt. Now make the zuppa inglese. In a medium-sized bowl, create the first layer with half of the chocolate custard, gently spreading it with a spatula. Top it with 1/3 of the savoiardi soaked in the alkermes, then spread half of the custard on top. Add another layer of savoiardi soaked in the alkermes. Then spread the rest of the chocolate and top with the remaining savoiardi soaked in the alkermes. Finish with a layer of custard. Dust the surface with cocoa powder and let the zuppa inglese sit in the fridge for a few hours before serving. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale, Ente Nazionale, Sordi, Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.